Are you sad because you're lonely? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to rebuild your self-confidence and inner beauty. These classic quotes are 18 affirmations for self-reliance and happiness by yourself, and attracting new relationships with the law of attraction. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Jim Rohn. 17. Rudeness is the weak man's imitation of strength. Eric Hoffer. 16. It's amazing the number of great people in my life that I wouldn't have ever met if it wasn't for CrossFit. Rich Froning. The shifts of fortune test the reliability of friends. Marcus Cicero. The heart is wiser than the intellect. Anon. Paradise is exactly like where you are right now, only much, much better. Laurie Anderson. The day I see a leaf is a marvel of a day. Kenneth Patton. It is wise to keep in mind that no success or failure is necessarily final. Sir Francis Bacon. I wanted to prove the sustaining power of music. David Bowie. Nice to be here. At my age it's nice to be anywhere. George Burns. Most of my ideas just come out funny. Tim Heidecker. Art is creative for the sake of realization, not for amusement, for transfiguration, not for the sake of play. Max Beckman. Every improvement in communication makes the bore more terrible. Frank Moore Colby. My dad was my first coach and drove me extremely hard from a very young age. Candace Parker. Wary is there beauty when you see deprivation and starvation. Rosalind Russell. Oh sleep, it is a gentle thing, beloved from pole to pole. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. He becometh poor that dealeth with a slack hand, but the hand of the diligent maketh rich. Proverb. By nature's kindly disposition, most questions which it is beyond a man's power to answer do not occur to him at all. George Santayana. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my law of attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.